Come to bed.
Welcome to the Letter Bank Puzzle Game. This game is an interesting one that is played all around the world by students, lovers of the English language, teachers, or just random individuals who are really interested or passionate about improving their communicative skills. Also, people play this game out of the sheer interest of fighting boredom. Whatever part that you belong to, whether you're looking to improve your knowledge of the English language, or you just want to fight boredom or to increase the word bank, I bet you this is something you really love to take part in. That said, we need to understand what this game is about. The letter bank puzzle game is one that allows you to generate words, to form words by combining different letters from this box. So you get to be listing out, bringing out letters, put them together, weave them together to form words. That is basically what this game is about. However, for the sake of this video, we'll be taking this game to another level. After the generation of words, we're going to be combining the words generated to make or to form meaningful English sentences. Those, of course, are the two tasks that you have to perform in this game. So let's get to the instruction. Remember, the game is the letter bank puzzle game, or you can say the English letter bank puzzle game. The first instruction is that you're going to generate 15 words from the letter bank. From this letter bank, this is the bank of letters, a reservoir of letters. From this letter bank, you're going to list 1, 2, 3, up to 15. You list out words. You're going to generate words, 15 words from this part, from this group of letters. Let's go to instruction number 12. That is clear. The second instruction says that do not use a letter in a word more than it appears in the bank. Do not use a letter in a word more than it appears in the letter bank. So while you generate your words, make sure that each word generated does not have a letter more than that letter appears in this part. Not to worry, I'm going to be having examples before you take on the task. Finally, the last instruction says that you're going to combine some of these words formed to generate 5 meaningful English sentences. So just 5 sentences of what you're going to be generating from the words, from the 15 words that you must have generated from this bank. I don't know if this instruction is clear. If it's clear, kindly write in the comment section. Clear. Just write clear in the comment section. Thank you. So I'm going to be exemplifying these instructions. 1. So I can decide to pick any word out of this place, okay? I can see. I might decide to start with the word please. Can I have the word please here? P. There is L. There is E. There is A. There is S. And there is, okay, there is E. Do we have two E's? Correct, okay. Let me summarize with that. Please. Please is the word in front of me here. Remember, this is P, this is L, this is E, this is A, this is S, and this is another E. We have two E's. Let me see. This is 1, this is 2. Okay, this is correct. Fine. Number 2. Okay, do we have C? Okay, this is a C. Do we have A? Okay, do we have N? Oh, that's can. Can, okay. Do I have, oh, this is I. I is a word. I, the pronoun I is a word on itself. So that's a simple cheat. I. Do we have the word have? Have. H. A. Do we have V? Okay, V. E. All right. Number 4. Have. All right. Okay. Do we have lemonade? So we can generate lemonade from this word. L. Okay, L E or is E? L E M O N A. You have D. Okay, D E. Okay, lemonade. Lemonade. L E. Okay. E E. Now look at this example. I can have anything like lemonader, lemonader. I can have anything like that. Okay, no. Or let's say lemonade if I told there's anything like that. Of course, I know there's no word like this in the English language. You can have these as a word, for example, in that You know, we don't have three E's in this bank. We have one, two, three. How many E's do we have? One, two. That's all. So this is going to be wrong if you write a word like this because you have this word having letters more than they appear in the back. So lemonade is a word. Now let's check number 6 for example. Do I have the word lorry? Lorry. L. Okay, I have L. Dot L. Okay, yes. But R. Do we have R? I'm not sure if you do have R. Oh yes, there's an R here. Okay, do you have another R? Oh no. So this word is incorrect according to the instruction. So you can have this word. Just make sure that you follow the instruction to details, to letter. So after this is done, so what you're going to be doing is to generate 15 words or even more from this letter bank. Let's assume that these are my 15 words. I'm going to be changing this, forming sentences from these words. So my first sentence can be, can I have lemonade? So, can I have lemonade? That's a full sentence, an interrogative. So another sentence can be, maybe from this, I have lemonade. I have lemonade. I have lemonade. I have lemonade. Or just 3, you can have lemonade, please. Lemonade, please. All of these are example sentences you can form from this group of words, okay, by combining these words. So you will go in now and generate 15 more words in addition to all of this equal tool. You generate 15 words, and after generating those 15 words, you're going to be combining some of those words to generate 5 meaningful sentences. So that's practically everything that you need to play this game. So kindly go ahead to generate 15 unique words in addition to what I have as examples here, and then you combine those words to form 5 meaningful English sentences. I look forward to see your answers in the comment section. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, follow on TikTok and other social media platforms. See you in the comment. Clock it. Bye for now. Come to Ben's English Lab, Ben's English Lab, Ben's English Lab, Ben's